37 states in the US are experiencing a rise in new cases. Texas is top of the list over the past 24-hour period, followed by California, where 72% of the state is being ordered back into a near shutdown. New restrictions are also being enforced.
To understand why California is losing the battle against COVID-19, meet Manhattan Beach. At restaurants, partitions are up. Tables sit empty for social distancing. But talk to the residents.
I want to go to the beach. It sucks.
I don't agree with being told that we can't do anything, especially on a holiday that this country is supposed to be celebrating independence.
Call it COVID exhaustion, and it's showing up in the numbers. After early signs of success controlling the outbreak, California is now bending the wrong way, with little sign of slowing.
I suspect there'll be plenty of people walking around not socially distancing and themselves not wearing their masks. We see it quite a bit.
Los Angeles County alone has more than 100,000 COVID-19 cases. That's higher than all of these states in the U.S., with the exception of the top 7. Governor Gavin Newsom ordered indoor restaurants, movie theaters, and museums closed in 19 counties and warned all residents to not gather in large groups on the 4th of July.
You have 40 million people in the state of California, and if 40 million people turn their back on these guidelines and common sense, that is not something we can enforce.
Most of the governors and states seeing a resurgence of COVID cases are Republican. California is an exception.
I think the problem here is less about governance and more about human nature. And if enough of them say, all right, the rules are beginning to loosen up, and I am just going to get together with friends and I'm going to stay a couple of feet apart, then it really doesn't matter what the rules are. The virus says, I see an opportunity and I'm going to pounce.